tortellini soup for fall. How wonderful. For my guests tomorrow, this is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home on this beautiful fall day. Tomorrow I'm having a fall fest, and it wouldn't be a fall fest without a soup. Tortellini soup. Yes, now let's get started. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. You will need 4 Italian hot pork sausages. With a wooden spoon, break up the sausages and brown the meat. Now that the sausages have browned beautifully, it's time to add 1 diced sweet onion. We're going to saute this for approximately 4 minutes. Time to add 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cook for no more than 1 minute. To season, salt, and pepper. I will taste it again after. Remember, you can add, but you can't take out. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're ready to add 4 cups of chicken stock. 660 ml of passata. Don't forget to add your Parmigiano rind. I add it to all soups and sauces. Soup to a boil. It's been simmering for 15 minutes. Oh, look how wonderful that looks. 1 pound of cheese-filled tortellini. Cooked, we're going to cook them in the soup. Cook the soup for an additional 20 minutes. It has cooked off beautifully, and I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. A little bit of chili powder, just a little bit. Perfect. Time to add 4 cups of kale with the stem removed. For the soup to be a little bit more liquidy than this, I'm going to add 4 cups of purified water, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Cook the kale until it wilts. We're just going to close this up and leave it alone for 10 minutes. Well, my tortellini soup is ready. So beautiful. Tell me that this does not scream fall. I'm going to show you how I'm going to be plating it tomorrow. Sprinkle some Parmigiano cheese. We can never have enough. I think my guests are absolutely going to love this. A nice piece of crusty bread. How beautiful. Taste this for you. It's like a big hug. For fall, this is absolutely spectacular. You really must try this for your family and get back to me. The crusty bread, oh my goodness. Delicioso. I want to wish you all a wonderful fall, a fabulous Thanksgiving. This would be great for Thanksgiving. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Oh, so good.